I picked Colchin because they take care of me, and they know that I don't know about cars. They know about cars, and I trust them, and that's super important. When I don't know something about a vehicle, it's easy to go to somebody that's going to take advantage of you. These guys won't. Every single time they're going to be honest and do what's best for you.
They're going to be friendly, and they're going to explain to me exactly what needs to be done and nothing that doesn't have to be done. And I can trust what they say and get the work done correctly.
Everybody here is excellent. They have great customer service, and the owner, Todd himself, he takes the time to call you and make sure your vehicle's running.
We have a great team of people. We get to know our customers. It's been great to grow in the last 30+ years.
Part of it is repairing cars. Part of it is being involved on the technical side of the business, but more importantly, it's the people. Colchin Automotive is driven by people, both from the inside and the outside. The inside people is the team, the people that you see when you come in here every day. They're the people that are here to help you. Driven by people from the outside means all of our customers. Our customers drive us to be better people.